he's got his point of view, and we've got ours. So, there's nothing. It was a very cordial meeting, but I certainly don't walk away from it feeling like there's any consensus among the governors who really want increased flexibility in Medicaid in order to balance our budgets and what the president had to say in there. So, candidly, I'm going to be governor in 2014. So the fact that he's offering flexibility in 2014 is really of no moment to most governors who need to balance their budgets this year and are looking like me at a $1.4 billion deficit in Medicaid and little ability to move because of the maintenance of effort requirements that are placed on the states by Obamacare. So, the fact that he's willing to move with a lot of fine print from 2017 to 2014, it doesn't mean a lot to a whole lot of folks, I don't think. And I think you find this in a bipartisan way. Governors just want flexibility to run our states. We don't want to pay 50% of the cost of Medicaid and have 0% of the authority. And I don't think that's an unreasonable thing to be asking for. Yet in my state, I have a $1.4 billion deficit in Medicaid in fiscal year 2012, and so little flexibility on what we can do because of the maintenance of effort requirements of Obamacare that, it makes our jobs even harder at a time when the president says he wants to make them easier. So, I heard what he said, and he says very nice things, and he says them really nicely, and they're pleasant to listen to. But in the end, I have a job to do. And what I like is to have the flexibility to exercise the authority that the people of New Jersey gave to me in November 2009. And I don't think that's unreasonable to ask. I'm certainly, not asking him not to have authority to do things. And so I wish he'd trust us a little bit more. None of us want to do anything to harm the public. But we can't print money. And we can't run trillion-dollar deficits because we don't want to upset anybody. We've got to balance budgets. And so I wish he'd give us a little more flexibility to be able to do that. I heard language on that today, but I didn't hear any real substance on it. So, I'm hopeful, as always, because I'm from New Jersey. I'm full of hope.